And I know it's been a while, but I figured I'd post an update from my phone on this old girl. I know some people have been missing it, but here's an update. It's still the old paint that was on it. It really done much to it. Put some LED headlights in it. Put some pins in the hood so I can get to the hood easy, because I've been dealing with engine problems, but I think we finally got that worked out. I'll start it here in a minute so you can hear it. And pretty straight still. Gas cap doors powder coated black. Ain't done nothing with the bed. Still got my old decal on it. Kind of see it better there, but the seats are, I still have the red lighting inside, and then my door panels are they are yes, those are conduit caps, or whatever you want to call them, for my, and then shower door handles for my door handles, but they do work good. And then the dash hasn't changed much. It's got a new steering wheel in it. I got this gauge, which is an air-fuel ratio gauge. It's been pretty decent. I've had to swap it out once, but haven't had any issues since. And I got my speedometer deal there, which runs my aftermarket speedometer, which has my turn signals and bright lights in it. And it works pretty good. Then I've added this with the Ford F-150 round vents in it. That's a pretty good little modification there. It helps with the airflow. Still ain't got anything done with this side yet, but to come. I redid this one, and that door panel's done the same way. Shower grab handle and the conduit box. Nothing's really changed with the console. Got a seat. Seats are all nice and still got the carpet in it. We'll do a cold start here and let you hear it. It's got a LT4 hot cam in it with a stock 1.5 ratio rockers. It sounds pretty good. But being this building, it should start pretty good. Here we go. I rebuilt the motor myself. Cam sounds pretty good, healthy. Speedo, you see the blinkers, and then the high, which you probably can't see. Well, the hot lights ain't on. Now they're on. Now you can see it come on and go off. Turn the, there we go. You can see that a lot more. You can see how that works. Now our red lit gauges. You can see this one, air fuel ratio. Tack. And then fuel and bolts. Bolts have been doing better, staying at around 14. So that's been doing pretty good. It holds great oil pressure. I can get you down there to see it. 60 is what it usually holds, so it goes up as you rev it. So we'll give you a little walk around. So still got the same radio in it. You should be able to hear the cam. Shut the door. Turn the lights off. It's going to blind it, blind the camera. Just a little walk around over. Still ain't thought of a good name for her, but I got a few that come to mind after working on this thing forever. She runs pretty good. Still got the old tail lights in her. And she runs pretty decent. Tailgate's broke. Doesn't come down anymore and doesn't done with the bed. It's got some trash in it from putting the motor in my father-in-law's truck. But give you a good look at the wheels and tires. Done up. Hear the cam in there pretty good. We'll pop the hood so you can listen underneath there. I may do some more videos on here, I don't know. Of course, I'm having technical difficulties. There's the engine. It ain't changed much. I've cleaned up some of the wiring in it. Made my own spark plug wires. See the headers down in there. Fuel pressure regulator ran. Not a good fuel pressure. Sounds pretty healthy. She sounds happy. I do have the AC compressor to go right here. By just having I just haven't put it. I gotta buy a new one. The old one quit. So, but it does sound good. Nothing with the hood, you know. Figured I'd give a little update. Let y'all listen to it. See how she's doing. She's just in storage right now. Not much I can do about. Not much I can do about driving it right now, and I'll show you here in a minute why. Shut that bad girl off. And she starts right up. She ain't got no complaints. After having 6 new motors put in it, remanufactured, I finally tore the last one down and rebuilt it myself because it had aftermarket heads on it. And I like it. I put that LT4 hot cam in it and some new lifters, and she seems to be happy. So, but here's why I can't drive it. We are getting a winter storm hammering us. We've got about 5 inches of snow on the ground, and it is just hammering. So that is why we can't get her out and play with her. But we will, and I'll take y'all for a ride along with me. But it's just a short little video of showing you what I've been up to, and figured I'd just post this and give a little update of what's going on. So, she ain't really changed much. Still the same as old girl she always was, and such a pain in the butt. But she's coming along. But anyways, I appreciate everybody watching and taking the time to peer into my day for just a few minutes and listen to me ramble and listen to the updates for the everything. Snow everywhere. But hope y'all's having a good Monday. And this is what I gotta deal with. I think we're fixing we are working right now, but I think we're fixing to head home for the day. So anyways, I appreciate y'all watching, as always. Love y'all. And y'all keep coming back. I'll post some more updates on this thing. And hopefully go for a ride real soon. See y'all later.